Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about best natural supplements for hard stool treatment, constipation remedy. Constipation is one of the most common issues that bother us. This is common among men and women both. Tough stool is not only difficult to pass, but also can cause fissures which takes a while to heal. But how do you define constipation? When you pass bowels less than 3 times a week, it qualifies to be called constipation. It can be accompanied with abdominal pain, bloating, so on and so forth if it is chronic in nature. Constipation has been known to affect physical and mental health and can be troublesome in general. Therefore, it is essential that you seek help and cure yourself out of it. Constipation is generally caused by an absurd lifestyle, your food habits, some medication and choice of living. You have to go for natural remedies in order to deal with hard stool problem. Dehydration can be the main cause of constipation, so better stay hydrated. You should drink more water so that you can prevent it. Soluble and non-fermentable fiber can be beneficial in dealing with it. Intake of fiber can increase the consistency and bulk of bowel movement and make stool easy to pass. You should start drinking coffee if you have constipation problem. It helps stimulate the muscles in the gut and help relieve the constipation. Coffee contains small amount of soluble fiber. You should avoid dairy products as it may affect gut movement and cause constipation. Some kids and adults may be intolerant to such products, so they should remove them from their diet for some time. It is important that you seek natural and herbal remedies to get rid of constipation. Herbal supplements are designed to remove health issues naturally. Apart from using natural treatment for constipation, treatment in the form of enzyme tablets, which is one of the best natural supplements for hard stool treatment, you can start by drinking more water and including probiotics in your diet to improve your gut health. With natural ingredients such as ajwain and hing, the capsules help you soften that gut matter in a matter of days and help you get rid of constipation permanently. You should look for natural supplements for constipation as it works fast and bring various health benefits. Experts suggest that you fill up on fiber rice food sources such as brown rice, fruits and vegetables, juices, oats, and others for natural constipation remedy. A few changes in the lifestyle along with exercise and natural supplement for constipation can help you get rid of constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. With regular usage over a few months, you should be able to continue with your regular lifestyle. You can get rid of this problem in easy way. Hope you like the post. Do comment if you have any query regarding natural supplements. You can find more details about enzyme capsules at natureagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.